In case you didn't know, this is how to record your screen on an iPhone. In the last step, I'll also show you how to record your screen with audio using your microphone. First, you want to access your phone's control center. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. This works for iPhone 10 and newer models, or for older iPhones, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. With your phone's control center open, look for the white or green plus icon on the top left of your screen. Click that and you'll be able to move or remove controls that are currently saved. Now look for and click the Add a Control option that also pops up on the bottom center of the screen. This will open up a ton of different controls that you can add to your control center. Find the screen recording icon, click it, and it will automatically assign the action to the first available slot on your control center. Now, anytime you'd like to record your screen, reopen your control center, click the screen record icon, a dot inside of a circle. A 3-second countdown will happen in the top center of the screen, and then a red dot will show that you are currently recording. To stop the recording, click the red dot and select Stop Recording. Now, to record your screen with audio using your microphone, press and hold the screen recording icon. A new screen will pop up that will allow you to tap the microphone icon to turn it on. Right above it is a button that will allow you to start recording with audio. Now the microphone is on. I hope this helps. Any life hacks or smart shortcuts that I figure out, I'll be happy to share with y'all. The more we can help each other, the better off we will all be.